I'm welcoming you all to this particular question. In this video we are looking at, I am Mr. Ish, thank you for joining me. We have integral square root 1 minus root x dx. A typical prototype U substitution question. U is equal to 1 minus root x. du is equal to minus 1 over 2 root x dx. dx is equal to minus 2 root x du. You're basically looking at now right here root u, and then you have a du, but then you have a minus 2, you have a root x. Everything has been brought into play. Look right over here at this particular equation. Minus root x is equal to u minus 1. That's exactly what you have. Root x is equal to 1 minus u. You're going to bring that into play right over here. All of this will become minus 2 integral root u times 1 minus u du. Convert this into an exponential form. It'll be easier that way, 1 over 2. Now open it up. You have u to the 1 over 2 minus u to the 3 over 2 du. Easy polynomial integral. Minus 2. You'll have u to the 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus u to the 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus c. I'm not writing that just yet. We'll have a minus 2. Here we'll have a 2 over 3, u to the 3 over 2 minus 2 over 5, and then u to the 5 over 2 plus c. We'll bring in the plus c at the very end. Open it up. We'll have minus 4 over 3, resubstitute the u. 1 minus root x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 4 over 5. We have 1 minus root x to the power of 5 over 2 plus c. That should be the end result, and it should be good. You've seen how everything has come about here with the substitution, and then another substitution right over here. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.